Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use columns in Asana. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Asana, you want to go on the top right and click Add a Field. Here you can have multiple options of columns that you can use. Alright, before we're gonna be here, what you can do is also click on a Customized right above it, and here you're gonna have the fields. So these are the fields that you can add. So let's say I can have completed on, created on, projects, tags, dependencies, created by. So these are like the fields that you can add and that you can use. So that's the first thing that you can do. Now I can also click plus here, and let's say I can add a single select. And let's say I want to add a stage, right? And stage can be introduction or finish. You can always change the colors here. So I can click on it and change the color. Then you have option to add to my workspace field library, notify task collaborators when this field value is changed. Only you can edit this field settings. Then you just click create, and now when you got it, you can option and simply choose the introduction and finish. Then I can simply click plus here. I can add a multi-select, so I can again add a field title, which is going to get called multiple stages. And you see right here, this is the same thing that I would add option 1, 2, 3. But the difference between these is that I can simply click here and choose do 2 of these, right? So that's the difference between multiple stages. When we go further, I can see the date and field date. So I can have the publish date, estimate launch. So let's say this is going to be the publish date. Create a field. I can click on it and add a publish date. You have option to add the time also. And this is how you do it. So this is how you have the date here. Then you have the people that you can, let's say, you can create a field, and now you can simply choose a people who are referred for that column. Then you have option to add a text. This can be a short text, a long text. So you have option to add a description of task and create a field. Then plus here, again, another thing is number. So this can be hours, cost, amount. So let's say this is going to be, let's say cost. And now then you have also option to format. If it's going to be euro, percentage, out, you choose that, right? Like percentage, or let's say euro. And then you're gonna choose the decimals. And then create a field. In that regard, I can have like 50 or 500 euro. So that's something you can do. And so I can click plus here. When we have the number, I can add a percentage. This is the same thing. So I can add a percentage success, right? And what I can do, I can easily add a percentage here. Then I can click plus here, and I can add a currency. So this is something that we already added, revenue. And I can add a format and decimals. Create a field. 250 euro. So that's how we do it. And you have always option when you're gonna have the revenue is to have average. So let's say and you can have minimum, maximum, count, sum. So these are the formulas that you can use here. So that's something you can do. And when we go further, these are the all that you can add. Like you can also the currency that we already added. Now, as I mentioned with customizing, you can simply add a custom field. So let's last modified on, created on, completed on, projects. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful. When you have the customize here and you would add a created on, for example, and you're always gonna see like when it's going to be created, right? You can have last modified on again today. If I'm going to have tomorrow, it'll be like the task for tomorrow. Then you see also the project, and you can simply add another project that you have. So that's another interesting thing you can do. And these are all that we added, right? So you can show and hide them. So if you can have any questions regards the columns, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. I hope this video was a little bit helpful on what you can do here and how you can use it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.